Welcome to State of Tech, iPad App of the Week. My name's Jared Hill. First off, I wanted to thank you for checking out State of Tech. We're a relatively new show with lots of different topics, so head on over to stateoftech.net where you can check out all the shows that we're putting out. Of course, our shows are new, but we're not new to technology. We've been doing this for a while, and we're excited with our new shows. So you can also find us on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. On our YouTube channel, we have all of our shows broken up by playlist so that you can view only the sections that you're interested in. So head on over to YouTube and subscribe to our channel. You can go to youtube.com/stateoftech to get to it. So today we're going to take a look at an app that I've been using for a while to organize my life. It's called Things HD for iPad. Things is a to-do application around the concept of getting things done. Now, I've been using this app for a while because this also syncs with the Mac. So I can manage my stuff on the Mac and sync it over to the iPad, and throughout the day when I have my iPad, I could check things off my to-do list and add new items as they become available. So when you launch the application, it asks you to tap to add your first to-do. When you add a new to-do item, you can add a title, you can add tags and notes to it, and you can add a due date. Then you can create it in different categories or projects so that you can keep everything organized. Maybe it's attached to a project that you're trying to attempt, like a remodel of your kitchen or something. This is the beginning of the year, so it's a great time to keep things organized and to structure your projects and stuff that you plan to take care of throughout the year. Perhaps maybe getting in shape is a goal for you, so you would want to add things to a category or a project called fitness, and you could type in, getting a gym membership, getting a personal trainer, things that you're going to check off. It's not only just to-dos, it could be accomplishments or anything that you want to add. So once we do that, it adds it to our list. We have these different views in our lists. We have our inbox, which is a great place for you just to throw things that you need to get done. You don't have the time to organize them, or maybe you're not exactly sure where they're going to go yet. You just know you need to do them, so you add them to your inbox. And then you can add them to a project later on. You could schedule them as just someday, which is kind of like your back burner. You can view your next items, which are kind of your action items, and then also put them in a schedule and view them all in your schedule so you can see what you need to attack day by day. What's very nice about this app is how it's just an opened, easy, user interface. And it's the same way on the Mac with the Mac application. So with the Mac application and then the iPad app working together, you have the power of both being behind your computer and having that information and also on your iPad or even your iPhone. Of course, there's an iPhone app. When you rotate it into this view, into widescreen, we have basically our menu over on the left-hand side and then our page with all of our stuff on the right-hand side, which is a much better way of viewing your lists, because with your left hand you can just tap through your different sections, and your right hand you can organize and view all of your items, your to-do items. Of course, once you get a lot of stuff in this app, the search functionality is going to become very powerful because you'll be able to search by these tags or keywords that are within the things that you've entered, and you'll be able to find the items that you've added in your different lists. In the settings, it's very easy to manage your tags and even your different areas, because we have home, we have work, we have different areas in our life, and we can attach items to those areas as well. Being able to sync this with either our computer or even just syncing it for backup is relatively easy to do. Of course, if you have the Mac app installed, all of this stuff happens synonymously so that you have all your stuff backed up. So, of course, keeping organized is huge, and if you're a Mac user, Things is going to work out really well for you because of having both platforms, the Mac and the iPad. Of course, even if you're just an iPad user, this app works great as a standalone tool, just being used on your iPad only or even your iPhone only. But it works great altogether, round-tripping all of your information with each of those three devices, which I have an iPhone, I have an iPad, I have a Mac, so it just works out great to have all of my information. Every time you launch the application, it syncs, so you have the most up-to-date information that you've added across any of your devices. So it's pretty cool the way that it works, and it's definitely going to help you stay organized. There are even more features that I haven't mentioned that you'll have to check out by downloading the app. You can get it in the App Store. It's been available for quite a while, and it's won a lot of awards because it's just such a clean and easy to use application. So if you're looking to stay organized, then Things for the iPad is definitely that app for you. You should check it out. It'd be a great resolution to start off your 2020. Thing that you could put on your to-do list is to subscribe to our State of Tech videos by going over to our website, checking us out on iTunes where you can get our podcasts as well. There are lots of ways that you can get State of Tech videos delivered to you each week for the devices that you care about. So thanks for checking out State of Tech, and we'll see you next time on State of Tech iPad App of the Week.